ॐ सहना भवतु।
ॐ सहना भवतु।
सहनौ भुनक्तु।
सहनौ भुनक्तु।
सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै।
सह वीर्यं करवावहै।
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै।
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं।
वरदे कामरूपिणी
वरदे कामरूपिणी।
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि।
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सिद्धिर्भवतु सदा।
येनाक्षरः समाम्नायम्
येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम्
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्
कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम्
कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम्
तस्मै पाणिनये नमः।
तस्मै पाणिनये नमः।
अकूहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचूयशानां तालु
इचूयशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुदशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्त्याः
ऋटुदशानां दन्त्याः
उपध्मानीयानाम् औष्ठौ
उपद्मानीयानाम् औष्ठौ
यमगणनानां नासिकाञ्च
यमगणनानां नासिकाञ्च
एतैतौ कण्ठतालु
एदैतौ कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तौ कण्ठोष्ठम्
ओदौ तौ कण्ठ औष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तौष्ठम्
वकारस्य
वकारस्यौष्ठम्
जिह्वामूले यस्य जिह्वामूलम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
24th લેસન ની એક્સરસાઇઝ એટલે 24th લેસન ની અંદર આપણે બે પાર્ટિસિપલ જોયા હતા ત્વા અને એકચ્યુઅલી લ્યપ પણ એમ તે લ જતો રે પ જતો રે આગત્ય preposition sorry if preposition is there then we have to put yakara yeah and without preposition we have to put twa. The main thing here. Or this Sati Saptami means locative absolute and genitive absolute. Both we have seen. And one sentence, no, two sentences we have already covered in this exercise. First one is Asti Gautamasya Aranye Kaschit Brahmanah. Kaschit Brahmanah Gautamasya Aranye Asti. The meaning is someone Brahmana is in the forest of Gautama. And Sahacha Brahmana, Sahacha Yagnaya Anyasmat Gramat Chagam Kritva Skande Nitavan. And that Brahmana, Sahacha, and that Brahmana, for the sake of Yaga, Anyasmat Gramat, from another village, Chagam Kritva, having, Kritva means having bought this Chagam means, and one more thing that I didn't tell, but when Twa and Yakara, this Lyap comes, connecting word always in second case. Always. This is the rule. They have not given here. So that's why Chagam Kritva. So Chagam 2 by 1. The connected word with Tva is always in second case. So he has bought, having bought one goat and having put on the shoulder Nitavan. He carried, he carried the goat on his shoulder. And now, third one. Can I start from Shital down below? That we have done, no? I think that also Sahagachan. That also. Durtabhyam avalokitaha. Saha avalokitaha. He was avalokitaha means observed, no? What is the meaning of avalokan? Is not given, but I think shown.
Seen.
He was seen.
Seen.
By
Yes.
two
Being
rogues.
seen.
He was being seen while going by two rogues. Until we have seen now Shital. Down below I am starting to. Tataha. Yes. Can you able to read, no? Yeah,
I think Shitalben is
you are muted.
Yeah, she is muted.
Sorry.
Now.
yeah. Now.
ततः तौ धूर्तौ चिन्तितवन्तौ yet I think that sandhi will be yet esa.
Yet
esa.
No, yati esha.
Yadi esa. Okay, हाँ यदि एषः छागः केन उपायेन
Kena api.
केन okay, अपि is also there. केन अपि Okay. केन अपि उपायेन लभ्यते
तदा
तदा मति प्रकर्षो भवेत् इति.
What is meaning of mati prakarsha? Somewhere there.
Mati is mind, no? And prakarsha is excellence.
Excellent.
Yeah, consider they are more excellent.
So, tatah, then, those two rogues, 1 by 2, no? Both of them.
1 by 2, yes.
Yes.
1 by Chintitavanto.
So
Then those two rogues thought, if this goat,
this
I mean, by what means
is,
had a thought, okay. Yati means if
yeah.
this goat, by what means?
By any means, you know, we sometimes we say by any
means.
hook and
By
crook.
any
This
can
goat.
be got, then mati means how we will take over here. Then mind is excellent.
Consider our brilliance, tada.
Then
mati prakarshaha bhavet. Then we consider as a brilliance, no? Somebody, oh, you have done brilliance, cleverness, something.
Then, like for them, they thought that then we are brilliant.
Then we become.
And iti we have to write anything.
Iti, no. Iti generally to show this is in inverted comma.
Inverted commas, yeah.
So we can put as a brilliance.
Brilliance,
Tada mati prakarshaha bhavet iti. Iti, there is no need, but iti shows this is under inverted comma.
It is like this.
Iti.
It is like this.
Like this. So this is no inverted comma. For this it is iti.
Yeah, so then
it's
brilliance.
this is your brilliance. Then they are become smart. No, sometimes people think. This is vrukshayoho.
Vruksayoho, yes.
Deepak bhai,
Tatah to
no, you're not.
vruksayoho.
Deepak bhai. Deepak bhai.
Okay, Mataji.
हाँ.
ततस्तो वृक्षयोस्तले तस्य
This is Brahmanasya. This
ब्राह्मणस्य आगमनं प्रतीक्ष्य मार्गे स्थितौ ततस्तो वृक्ष then under the fruit tree
then those both of them, those two, both of them, Rukshayoho tale. So there are again Rukshayoho. Must be two, no?
2 trees.
So Rukshayoho tale. Tale means two.
under
Base or foot.
Under. Then those both of them under 2 trees. Tasya means Brahmanasya. Tasya Brahmanasya, for that Brahmana. Agamana means
arrival.
Right.
whenever we go in you know airport or something in railway station, Agamanam. Agamanam.
Stood on the stood
Stood, yeah.
for the waiting
On the way.
on the path.
Waited.
Adharva. Pratiksha.
On the way.
Pratiksha means
Waiting.
To wait.
waiting for. So actually here known iksha. Iksha means to see. But when pra is added, then it pratiksha, no? To wait. Because we have added pra, that's why it becomes yakara, is it? Otherwise, iksha.
Pratiks.
So waiting. So if you do again, tatahato, then both of them under the two tree for the arrival of this Brahmana, they are waiting for arrival of the Brahmana. They stood. So tato, so actually tau sthito, main sentence, tau sthito. So both of them stood under the two trees, waiting arrival of the Brahmana. Like that.
Brahmana.
So if you put no, it is called Anvaya. So actually you have to put Tatahato Tasya Brahmanasya Agamanam Pratiksha Rukshayo Tale Marge Sthito. So it's called, then it is meaningful. Otherwise we have to arrange the word. Now Mukesh Bhai.
Tatra ekena dhruteena gaccha. So Vipro
Gachan.
gachan. So Vipra abhihitah. Tatra ekena.
Ekena.
Ekena dhruteena gachan.
Dhurtena. Dhurtena. Repa is a Dhurtena. No,
Yeah.
Dhurtena.
Yeah. Dhruteena gachan. Like one of them. Tatra ekena gachan sa.
Chan Saha Vipraha Abhi
Saha Vipra abhihita. Join है ना abhihita is a
told.
Addressed. To address.
Address.
so one of them address the
The sentence is in passive voice. So you have to translate accordingly.
Saha Vipraha Gachan. So this
by seeing the
expected, going Brahmana. Saha Gachan Vipran. Brahmana which was going to by Tatra means in that situation. Tatra Tasmin. There. By
one of the
one rogue told that Brahmana who is going. Yeah.
There, going Brahmin was addressed by one rogue.
The Brahmana who was going was addressed by one.
Addressed
By
one
Rogue.
one rogue.
one
One
rogue.
rogue.
It's called brainwash. This story is called brainwash. Now, Jai Shri Ben.
chalo.
Yes.
Oh.
भोः ब्रह्मणः किं कुक्कुरः स्कन्धेन उह्यते इति.
So here bhoho, not only bho.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, bho is a eighth case vocative.
Okay.
And Brahmana is also Brahmana. Like Rama, no?
O Brahmina.
Okay.
O Brahmin.
Oh, Brahmin.
Kim Kukurah. That means if like it's a half question.
Question, yeah.
Kukurah is a dog.
Why? Yeah.
Are you carrying a dog
On your
on your shoulder?
why are you like
Kuraha uhyate. Dog is being carried on the shoulder.
So passive. Oh Mataji, it is. Yeah.
Uhyate, no? Being carried.
Yes. Yes. So it is passive voice, no?
Yeah.
Kim is a question.
So Kim means why?
Kim is used for
Why?
Yes.
Why?
Why
Why
dog is
Kandena?
called?
Huh?
Kandena, third case here, why?
Is that they are using, no, it is not for passive, this kandena, but they are instrumental. They have used shoulder for carrying. So shoulder is a 3 by 1, but not for passive, is a instrumental case. Simple.
So
Okay.
how? So by shoulder.
By shoulder.
So,
With the help of the shoulder, yeah, like this.
Huh, huh.
Why kukkara means why dog is being carried
Dog is being carried.
with with the help of the shoulder, like this,
Shoulders.
by the shoulder. What?
Because Uhyate is there, so it is Atmanepadi, no?
Yeah, no, this is actually vah.
Vah. It is
Vahati, no?
Samprasara.
It is samprasarana becomes uf.
Samprasara.
And this yakara is added being passive. And now
so
again,
it is passive, no? Yeah.
yeah, that's
Vah becomes Uhyate.
so kukkuraha uhyate.
Uhyate.
So this dog is being carried. This is not by you something, but carried
Yes.
by this kanda.
Gandha.
The O Brahmana, it's a vocative.
And even my previous one, that Ekena Durtena, again, that is also third case, no? That way they have taken.
Because abhita, no,
Yes.
it is a passive.
Yes.
Actually, saha vipraha abhitaha. If you want to convert in active, can you do?
Tatra.
Then
Kam vipram.
Okay.
Abhitaha
Tam.
kathati. You can say you kathayati. So, Buddha kathayati.
Kathayati.
Ekah.
Ekah Dhutah Kathayati.
Tam vipram. Now vipram this gachan, no? So
So
gachan.
will remain as
Now
it is.
gachantam, gachantam. We have to put gachantam vipram. Because this gachan is the adjective of
2
this.
by 1.
They
2
become
by 1.
like this. Then you are master. If you convert in both. Now, Shita.
Okay.
It is easy for you, it is easy.
Yes.
Viprena uktam na ayam kukkarah kintu yagnah chakah.
Iti. Last one is
Said by it was said by Brahmin, this is not dog, but sacrifice goat.
Yeah.
A goat.
Yeah.
Because 1 by 1, so sacrifice goat.
Yeah.
Spoken by Brahmin. This is not a sacrifice.
Sacrificial. Tadanantaram, again now, our Deepak Bhai.
तदन्तरं द्वितीयेन दुर्तेन तथा उक्तम्
तथा एव उक्तम. तथैवोक्तम. There are 3 words. तथा एव उक्तम.
तदन्तरम् after that second rog
By second row.
by second rog said like that.
Same, yeah. Exactly, he told same, like something. Uktam is spoken, no?
Spoken. Spoken.
Exactly. So
Exactly. Tatha eva. Same thing. We can say same thing exactly. Tatha eva means exactly. Spoken by second row is also said exactly. what he first one told. Same, what was Karaha Skandhena Uhyate. Then Mukesh.
तदा कण्यरः ब्राह्मण
Tada
तदा कण्यरः
Akarnya.
Akarnya.
आकर्ण्य तत् आकर्ण्य
Tada only. A is a Dirgha Sandhi.
ओके तदा आकर्ण्य
Hmm.
ब्राह्मणः छागं भूमौ निधाय परीक्ष्य किं
Just
च स
Yeah, you can not. First, you can translate this.
yeah, oh,
That much. Tada Akarnya. Then, listening this.
अच्छा आकर्ण्य listening this
To this Karna, but I.
Brahmana એટલે he has put the Nidhaya Pariksha, put it on the ground for the examination.
Check.
To examine.
He tried to check whether it's a chag or god or kukura.
Bhumo Nidhaya Pariksha.
Now,
next.
now then, cha sa shankam avadat.
Cha sa sankam
Sasankam. Sasankam meaning is given. With doubt.
Sasankam
With doubt or fear.
here. Sasakam vadat avadat बोलियो spoke मम छाग किम करह भवत मम my छाग
My goat.
my god किम भवेत
My goat
why my become a
Is my goat became dog?
Can my goat become a dog? Yeah.
Yes.
किम करो भवत
He questioned himself.
मम छाग किम भवेत इति
On hearing that, the Brahmin put down the goat, examined and spoke with doubt.
Now your turn, Jayashree Ben.
Yes. Prathamen dhurtena uktam. Spoken by first rogue.
What he spoke?
Pashya.
Look at it.
Pashya. That means look. Ma sprusha. Don't touch. Tivrehi dantehi tvam dashet. Iti. You will be beaten by sharp teeth.
Tivrehi dashetya. Now last Shital. Easy.
Bhayad, in fear, Vipre, Ksipram, Gate, Dhurto, Sa Ananda, Chagam, Rutvanto. In fear, Ksipram, speedily, no?
Shipram. Bhayat, out of fear, no? Bhayat means out of fear.
Fear, out of fear.
Shipram means quickly.
Quickly,
Quickly.
Achha, this is that locative, no? That's why.
So Vipre means when, this locative case, no? So when Brahmana went speedily, had gone.
Ran away speedily. Dhurto, the rogues, with happiness, Rutvanto, carried the boat.
Carried.
taken away.
Yeah.
Taken out.
Taken away, took away. Yeah. Sananda.
Drutavanto is active voice, no?
Active voice. Dut
Participle.
means this is 1 by 2.
Yes.
Dhurto, Dhutavanto. This is the main sentence. Bothro took away.
Took
Dhutavanto.
away the boat.
Happily they took away the boat.
Sananda.
Because their intention.
Fulfill.
This is called brainwash.
Yes.
It was
So,
to-
ma, here Gate is the adjective of Vipre, no?
huh?
It's not adjective.
Gate.
PP.
Gate Vipre.
Gate
Bhayat Chipram Gate Vipre.
Vipre. This is the first sentence. Bhayat
Yes,
Gate Vipre. Bhayat Kshipram
Yes.
Vipre.
Gate Vipre.
Sati Saptami.
Sati
Yes.
Saptami.
Because that action is completed, then that Dhurto.
They only then they can take away, no?
And two
Yes.
agents are different, last time you had
Agents
said.
are all
Yes.
different.
And Sanandam, we have to separate the Sandhi. Sanandam.
Anandam. With joy.
We can take it as a single word also.
Sashankam they have given. Sanandam not given.
Yes.
Not given.
But we can take it as a single word also, no? Ma?
Yeah, Nick, we can. Yeah. But in our mind, it is we know this is Sa plus Ananda.
Plus Ananda, yes.
Now, translate into Sanskrit and using every sentence either in indeclinable past participle or the locative absolute.
Hmm.
So actually, again starts first Deepak by now.
Okay.
I saw the minister. And it is
I saw the minister and spoke to him. I saw the minister. Main sentence.
Hmm. First sentence.
Aham.
Is,
First sentence.
Aham. The minister, Mantrina.
Mantri. Mantrinam, no?
Mantrinam.
So, Drashtva.
So first sentence is Aham
Mantrinam Drashtva.
Mantrinam Drashtva
To him, Tam.
Uktavan spoke to him. Uktavan.
Aham Mantrinam Drashtva. Tam Uktavan.
So today I have kept that she has prepared, no? But you have not written the translation. So this perfect active like Uktavan, this is like Nitavat.
This is
So this is correct. Now, Mukesh Bhai. The enemies having conquered declared.
declared. Enemies. Enemies having conquered. Declared.
Shatrun Jitva.
Enemies Satrun conquered. Jitva.
Vayam.
Run away.
Fled, yeah. Enemies having conquered.
Which Gatwa?
Fled away means run away. They have given.
I think
Not
gone,
given.
like we gone, right?
Being gone.
So that is a
Dava,
Gatwa.
Avati.
Dhavanto. Something. Vayam.
Shatru,
Aham.
Shatrun jitva vayam, then dhavati, that we know.
Dhavati, dhavato, dhavanto.
Go on.
Vamana adhavama.
This will be the
Yeah, ma, if we
pure,
use participle, then
Participle, then what will come?
or we
Simple
we have to use only simple, not participle. We have to speak in a past participle.
dhavanto.
Not present. Now we have to use the past.
Dhavantah. Dhavantah.
Bhavantah.
Like,
Bhavantah. But it is Bhavantah, it is a note, it is, the meaning is, it is Dhavant, fled is no past tense.
so it is simple past tense,
Simple
no?
past.
Yeah, simple past tense. So like me plus nitaha, same way, what is the dhav, the past passive participle of dhav? Dhavat.
Adhavam.
No, it is
If adhavam is correct.
past tense. It is a past participle. We have to
It is
use.
the part participle. We have to check dhatah, dhavatah, dhavat, dhavatah, dhavat. In the end tone, they have given last. If they have given, I don't know, many participles they have given.
Not like a run
Dhava,
away.
dhavati, dhavitah. So you have to put dhavitah. Vayam dhavitah. It is given here. In
Okay.
last page means 128.
Page 129.
129. Dhavitah, no?
Dha,
Past
dhavatu,
passive
dhavati, dhavyate, dhavita.
Davitah. It is Davitah.
So plural will be dhavitah.
Bhavita, Davitaha.
Dhavitaha.
Rama Shabdavat.
And indeclinable is dhavitva. No?
But no, but Davitva means having run. It is not there.
So dhavitaha.
Davitaha, otherwise Adhavam. Both are correct.
Past participle. Here we use past participle.
Past participle, yeah. Davita. Okay. Can I erase?
The same. The enemy is having been conquered.
Same now. The merchant.
First example.
It's good. For you long.
First and second.
The enemies having been conquered,
Third one.
we
Yeah.
sang.
The enemies.
So again, Satrun Jitva.
Again they start singing, no?
Yes. The enemies having been conquered, we sang. So Satrun Jitva, Vayam,
Agaya.
Agayan.
Agayan or Gitavantaha.
Gitavantaha. One thing, if you want to do Sati Saptami, when we conquered the enemies, we sang. Then Sati Saptami means Shatrushu Jitavatsu.
Okay. Satrushu Jitavatsu, Vayam.
Okay, same now. Jitavatsu. 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 Vayam. Is Vayam saying. So if you put then Agayam,
Agayan.
and again Gitavantah, Agayam, गाया
गीतवतः
गीत
गीतवतः no
गीतवन्तः because
It
plural.
is a plural. Plural, so
गीतवन्तौ
गीतवन्तः.
गीतवन्तः
गीतवन्तः like धीमान् धीमन्तो धीमन्तः गीतवन्तः
गीतवन्तः
शत्रुषु जीतवत्सु वयं गीतवन्तः वन्तः गीतवन्तः.
Even the previous one we can do by Sati Saptami, no?
Yeah, we can do, yeah, same thing. It is a totally, no, it is opposite. Shatrushu jitavatsu. Then they run away because now enemies are conquered.
first section is completed no so that's why we are making Saptami.
Yeah, we can put.
I think it's like a simultaneous because having been
actions.
conquered.
Yeah, and
It's
this
like
the Shatrushu
the same
jitavatsu
moment
is the
they-
goal. One
Yes.
is this is
Well, here they
Vayam Gitavantah,
conquered.
otherwise Vayam. What is other? Fled away. What we have seen? David.
Davita.
Davita.
Davitavantah. Same thing we can do. Davitavantah. Not Davitaha is a passive, no? Davitavantah. This is correct.
Okay.
So now we have to translate this participle, no? Then it will be more easy. So this nayat we know, it is a taking. This same labhaman, obtaining. But when labhyaman comes, gamyaman comes means being obtained.
Bingo.
On and nitagata. And then perfect. If we take a perfect passive nitaha means gone. So suppose this is nita means led, no? This is go.
being gone.
This is, yeah, like we say, no? Run. Go, went and go. This is perfect, no? This is go, went, and last one perfect, gone.
They were gone.
So this is gone only. Then we have to add have gone in. But when nitavata come means this is nitavantaha means only led. Here had gone. But here led, or if gone is there, gatavata. Gatavan means what is the means? He went. A person who went.
Bingo.
Like this active is there, no? That's why. So that we have to, sometimes it is tricky sentence. Now, Sheetal.
The merchant sold 2 cows and bought 1 horse.
Wow. So, sold is, you know,
Vikri,
yeah.
Vikri.
You can also,
Manage.
One.
Yeah. And one each.
Denu, 2 cows means Denu.
Denu.
Dirghane.
Vanijah. Denu.
Dirgha, no?
Dirgha.
Vanik, no?
Vanik.
Vanik. Denu. Vikriya, no? Vikriya, no? Because they have given
Preposition. No,
preposition. That's why Vikriya. Otherwise, Kritva.
Yeah, Vikriya.
Vikriya.
Vikriya. And 1 horse he has bought. So, ekam asvam
Ashvam. Kritavan, no?
What? Kritva cha.
No. Having Kritva, no. When you put second sentence never comes. Because another action should be there. You know, Tva never comes at the end of the any sentence. We always say, I have done this, then I have did this. So second sentence is always complete. So you have to put Kritavan. Ekam Ashvam, I bought. Sentence is complete. Kritavan.
Kritva.
But this is, so having sold two, I purchased one. So having sold two will come in Twa or Lyap, means Yakara. And then second sentence.
Yakara. Huh.
Now, Deepak Bhai.
While the guests were arriving, all the servants adorned the house.
Ah.
Guests were arriving.
Atithi, guest.
Ati, Arayahan, like Arayaha. Ati,
Arriving means Agamanam, no? They have given somewhere. We have done no Agamanam. Waiting.
Sati Saptami.
Agamanam.
Yes. So here we can use Sati Saptami, no?
And you,
Again, locative. Yeah.
so you can put guest in
Yes.
Atithesu.
Atithi. Athithitsu.
Atithisu.
Here should Atithitsu.
Ati,
Agatsu. Then
Agat.
Agatsu. Agachatsu. So gum
Serve.
a gachat su.
All the servants, Sarve Dasaha.
Sarve dasaha
House, Gruham.
gruham adon, no? Sarve dasaha gruham bhushan
Bushi.
Abhusayan.
bhushayanti.
Abhusayan.
Bhushayanti. No, but adon, no, means is a past. So abhushayan, pataman.
Abhusayan.
Abhushayan. So athititsu agachatsu. Athititsu agachatsu. Sarve dasaha gruham abhushayan.
Can we use participle for Abhushayan?
You can use it. What will be the participle?
Simple part.
Simple, like
Bhushitya. Bhushitavanta.
Bhushitavantaha.
Bhushitavanta.
Bhushitavantaha, like this.
Because Gruham is
So this is Bhushita first. This is passive, more active, then Bhushitavat, then Bhushitavantaha. Both are correct. Bhushitavantaha.
So house is a neuter. Gruham.
Gruham, but still it is second case, no? Dasaha all are in first case, Sarve dasaha. So actually simple past tense. All the servants adorn the house. This is the one separate sentence. Sarve dasaha gruham abhushayan. Bhushitavantaha.
We have to translate while or not needed.
While is a
That's why Satsu, no?
Oh,
That's why we have
yeah,
used,
That's
that exam is going on, no?
yeah, that's why we have put Satsu. Means Sati Saptami.
Yes.
Ati.
Ah,
Wow.
if you are alive, I too am alive.
Ah, good.
If you are alive,
Ah.
I too am alive.
Hmm.
If is a
Yadi.
yadi
Yadi.
yadi tvam alive, right? Jivit,
Jivita.
jivit.
Asi. Jivitam asi, no? Yadi tvam
Asya.
jivitam asi,
Hmm.
aham tu jivitah. Asti. Asti.
Aham jivami, no?
Hmm?
Aham jivami.
Aham. I
Jivami.
too. Me two is
Ahamapi.
again
Ahamapi. Ahamapi jivami.
Aham. Hmm.
yadi tvam
Actually, now you
jivitam.
want to put Sati Saptami then?
This tvam no.
This you will go in seventh case. Tvai.
Hmm. Tvai. Tvai.
Tvai.
Yadi tvai.
Now, alive means jivatsu. Jivat. No? Tvai jivati, because singular, no? When you are alive. Tvai jivati, then ahamapi jivami.
Aham jivami. Nee, this two.
Then why,
God, yeah,
ma'am,
nee.
then why aham api
Aham api
jivami
jivami,
is simple
cha.
present? We should not we take it in seventh case again?
But then what you put? Tvai jivati. Then how you translate? Tvai jivati. Then in Sati Saptami what will come? Jivati.
But
Aham jivati.
Mata,
Uh-huh.
how to emphasize this two,
Hmm.
Two accents are going on. So
because it is a simultaneous action actually. If you are live, I also live. Okay.
so first
two-
one is important.
Yeah, it is
Second,
important.
then
Tvai
express.
jivati sati. Tvai jivati sati. Ahamapi jivati. Jivami. Like this. If you are alive, no? It is Sati, we can put when you are alive. Otherwise, you can put aham jivitam, tvam jivitam. But a jivitam, I think you should not put. You should put is only active, present active. Jivitam
So
is
aham api
is
jivami.
active. Yadi tvam. Now jiva, you have to put. You want to put this, no?
Hmm.
active, yeah, present participle.
Present participle. Then what you put?
Jiyaman. Jiyaman.
Jiyama?
No, it's
It is a passive.
We have to put active only, yeah.
Yeah, so this is active. What you put jitavata, no? But still we have to, what we have to translate. This is head. This is head gone. Suppose gata.
But it is like a not completed action. It is a
That's why we cannot use
it is
participle.
a present participle.
That's
Yeah,
why
it's
we
not a
cannot.
completed action. It
That's
is
why.
not a completed. It is simultaneous action, and
Going
both
on.
are present. Both are present only.
But why jivati is a present only. Sati sapta. When you are there, then I am living. When you are alive, I am also alive. The meaning is,
Vai jivitsu aham api
if you
jivami.
are alive means when you are alive. This is meaning of this. When you are alive, when we say if they have put no, we can put even when also.
Yes, yes.
And when we put
Yes.
when, it becomes Sati Saptami. When you are alive, I too.
Also, अपि जीवित
त्वयि जीवति सति अहमपि जीवामि.
अपि अहं जीवामि.
Now only 7 told. So next time from 7 up to still 8
We
less.
will definitely
We will try ourselves. The blame is me. That concern. Simple sentence we can easily make, but these participles.
But simple also we can make. No, we try to make simple.
Okay.
And then
Then we can switch over to participles.
Yeah.
Shall we do Purnamada? Om Purnamada
Purnamada Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamādāya Purnamevāvashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Harihi Om.
Hari Om.